Lighter, we want less parts per million. So on our nitrate, are we in a pretty healthy range? Yeah. Anthony, you think that's pretty healthy? Yeah. Okay.
No.
Now looking at our oxygen, Dayon, I hear Anthony, looking at our oxygen, what do you think we'd want, a lighter or darker? We want darker, because why do we want it to be darker? What does darker represent? More oxygen. Is more oxygen a good thing? Yeah, because it's the same light, right? If it was a lighter color, would our river be more polluted? Yeah. Okay.
There'd be a lot more food. So does that mean that our liver is really healthy?
The river's looking relatively healthy.
Well, what if you're dehydrated and
Can I go
you don't drink water?
Can I go on the fourth
You would get very sick if you drank that water.
You will?
I don't know.
Dogs drink water.
We have to do basketball. I will. Doug did it all
You
day.
drink a lot, okay? If you get a little in your mouth, but if you drink a whole glass of this water, you probably get it coming.
I told them not to.
Okay? So let's compare our results. These guys did phosphate and pH. We'll see what their results are. And we would like to share the oxygen results.
Who wants to give me back my picture?
Who wants to share the nitrogen results?
It wasn't there before.
You want to talk about it? Who wants to talk about the nitrogen results?
Okay, so we are going to get together with the other
Damo?
half of our group and share our results.
Colin, you want to talk about the
We have
nitrogen?
volunteers to explain phosphate and share the results.
Come on, Caleb, you talk about the nitrate
Miranda, how
and what our
about
results
pH?
meant.
Let's talk about pH
You do
in
that?
our bigger group.
Okay.
So,
Because the nitrate level was...
Ow.
All right, let's see what these guys have to say. We're ready, guys, when you're ready.
we are ready.
Alrighty.
Let's wander over here, folks, please.
We have some spokespeople over here who are going to
We have
explain our test.
people here.
Okay, who wants to go first? Girls go first. Girls and Nathaniel are Coke and Dale in the girl group.
Phosphate
Okay.
Okay, stay on phosphate. Listening? Liz, for the record keeper. Oh, okay.
I have the board.
Okay.
Okay. For phosphate, we got 2. Or was that the pH?
No, that's phosphate.
That's phosphate. Okay, that's 7. Okay. So we got 2, which is very good because most of the fish don't very acidic water. So it's good to have it kind of. We want it to be like 0, but we.
So that's for pH.
Oh, pH. Oh.
Yeah, think about phosphate.
Oh, phosphate. Okay.
So you got a 2 on your test, which is a good number.
Yeah.
So it shows there's not very many or too many phosphates. Use neutrals more for pH. Phosphate takes the common. Okay. So low phosphate number indicates a relatively healthy river on your test. Okay. And you do a color indicator test on your face?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And pH.
pH, we got 8, which is pretty good.
Back up. What does pH measure? Acidic or some of the other numbers? If it's not acid, it's base.
I know
Base. Okay, so if the pH scale, guys, is 0 to 14, what's neutral? 7. Okay. Do you think your body's mostly around neutral? No. You don't think? Overall?
Yeah.
I think it's probably good.
Overall, your body, the fluids in your body are pretty neutral. What would be a fluid in your body that's very acidic? Stomach acid. Very good. Okay. So you have variances within your body, so overall, like your blood and your interstitial fluid. So you would probably want the river water to be right around neutral. What was the number?
Oh, 7.
On pH
Oh,
on the river?
Yeah.
It's an 8. Okay. So that's a little bit acid or base?
Acid.
Base.
Oh, base.
Okay. Acid is 0 to 6.9. 7 neutral. 7.1. Alrighty. Who's our spokespeople here for oxygen? Anthony?
oxygen we got about 8. It's good because
You're standing up, you're standing over here.
it's the highest on the card for the oxygen level.
Parts per million.
Parts per million.
So hold the two up together so you can see the color. So what does that represent if there's a good amount of oxygen in the river? What can breathe? Okay, so everything in there, it has oxygen to live, plants and animals. And did you guys already look at the macroinvertebrates?
Yeah.
Okay. So based on the amount of oxygen, does that correlate with the macroinvertebrates you saw? Did you see groupings of macroinvertebrates that indicated good oxygen levels? So those two numbers correlate, those two things correlate? Does that make sense?
What's
Okay.
that number again?
You said it was probably close to 8. Okay, nitrate. Are you doing that with Sarah? No, Houston or nitrate talk. Sammo?
I'm good.
Come on, you can do that.
I'm good. No.
Come on, you can explain that.
Yeah.
Come on, Sam, you can explain it. Let's go.
There you go.
Where's the phone? You can do it.
Yeah, you can do it.
You know it. Explain it. You know it. Just read it. Read off the
You
chart.
can do it.
I like this too.
Now turn it over and compare it.
Okay, well.
Hold your sample up to the colors. Okay, for nitrates, do we want a dark number like we did for oxygen or a lighter number?
Light.
Because light indicates less nitrates, correct? And that's a healthier river. So what do you think our number would be, Sam, comparing that? Give us a range.
1 or 0.
Okay. Maybe there's a little color, so maybe like a 1 or 2. All right. Okay, we almost are passing right now.
You checked 0 on here. Did you agree that it was 0?
No, we didn't agree.
So it's really in the good range.
Yes, I would definitely say so. Okie dokie.
Korea.
Huh?
So far, you've seen 2 stations. Both sets of data right now tell you, is it consistent? Those macroinvertebrates didn't say it's polluted, and then you came over here and had water chemistry that said it's wonderful water, right? So those things are pretty consistent.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Okay, Sammo, dump that in there for me.